Hey guys, welcome to my new video on option trading. Have you ever used strategy builder and analysis tools for your trade? I'm sure your answer will be yes. Today I'm going to review three such tools. First one is Options Oracle, second one is Opstra, and the third one is Sensible. My review is grouped into 5 different categories. First one is about usability. I will try to compare subscription models, look and feel and user friendliness of all these three tools. Second one, we look at the screening features available in these three tools: option chain, OA analysis, IV analysis, liquidity results, and so on. So this is all about how do you screen your strike and stock for your option trading. After that, we see this strategy builder. Let's see what are the features these tools are offering to build a customized strategy or based on existing popular strategies or the portfolio management features and so on. And next one is very important, that's about the payoff. So that's very important, so I would like to spend a little more time on this, comparing these three tools, about what it offers to check the payoff versus underlying, or payoff versus end date, or payoff versus volatility, and so on. So after that, I'll try to cover the unique features available in these three tools. Example, this virtual trade, or how they are integrated with the broker, option price calculator tools, and so on. And towards the end, I will try to give a good summary out of these three tools, so that the traders can choose which one best fit for their own style. Let's look at the usability now. Let's move on to the tool directly. First one is Options Oracle. So you can see the main window here, and it's available for free download from pasitechnologies.com. All the features what you see in the screen are available for free, and they do have a paid version tool that is called Obstrator. You can get more details about that tool in their website, right? And coming to its look and feel, you can see very well the text, icons, or colors are a little bit old fashioned, so it's not that great compared to other tools. Similarly, the user friendliness is also not so good. If you want to select a strike, if you simply type it, it may not select properly. You may have to go and select it. Similarly, if I want to change the type of my order, then I have to change it. So it's not so user friendly, but that doesn't stop you, because it has all the features available to analyze option trade for free of course. So in that way, it's really great, and also all are available within this one single window, unlike other tools where you may have to navigate to multiple screens. So that way, this tool really is standing out. And then now let's move on to the second tool about its usability. Second one is Opstra. You can see Opstra is available in this link, opstra.defineedge.com. So it's an online tool, whereas Options Oracle is not an online tool. You have to download it in your machine and install it. They don't have online or an mobile app versions. But Opstra is an online tool. You have to sign in so that you will get access to the free features. But they do have other paid features, for example, this backtesting simulator and so on. So that details you can get in this website more. Coming to the main topic of this comparison, that is about look and feel. Look and feel is definitely better than Options Oracle. But usability is also better, but it's not so great, I would say. So you can go and select a particular strike, or you can directly type a strike price whichever you want, so it will take it. So it's definitely better than Options Oracle, but all are not available for free, so certain features are locked for paid users only. Now we move on to the third one. So that's nothing but the Sensible. You can see it here. It is available in again in online tool only. You can see it web.sensible.com, or if you have a broker account such as 5paisa or Zerodha, you will get access from there. So here also again you need a sign in either from Gmail or from your broker, so that you will get access to the all the free features. And you can see this lock icons, these are all paid features, but it's not only that. For example, this technical signals, it's available free, but free is only for 3 signals. If you want more signals, then it is again paid. So I would say most of them are locked, most of them are paid version. But one good thing is about that is they have a 7 days free trial, so you can try it yourself and then you can decide whether you want to buy it or not. But coming to the main topic of look and feel and user friendliness, this is one of the best tool out of this 3. Look and feel is really great, a lot of iconic displays. You can go and directly select whatever you want, the strategy builder. And the usability is good, more or less similar to Opstra. So you can go and select your strategy. See, you can see most of the features are blocked for free users, so you have to pay and then only you will be able to use this tool completely. So otherwise you will get only very limited features. So that's about the usability, and then we move on to the next topic of screening. Screening feature comparison is available in part 2 of this video series. Link to all parts of this video series is given in description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.